Today I'm going to show you how to hang the snap strap. The tools you'll need for this project are a pencil, a hammer, and a drill with a flathead bit, any small drill bit, and a 5/16 drill bit. Start by marking on the wall where you want your snap strap to hang. Next, using the small drill bit, we'll drill a pilot hole. If you hit a stud in the wall, you can go ahead and skip this next step. If there's no stud, we'll need to install the pop toggle wall anchor. To install the anchor, we'll first open up our pilot hole with a 5/16 drill bit. Next, grab your anchor, pinch both ends together, and then hammer it until flush with the wall. Now you can place your screw through the mounting hole and screw directly into the wall or anchor.